Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from August Ipsy Extra. This month's theme is the soft reset and the bag design features a bandana inspired paisley print. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Olaplex No. 5 Leave-In Conditioner, Ciele Protect Primer, Dalish Powder Blush Duo, Laura Geller On and On Lengthening Mascara, and the Ole Henrikson Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. First, we have the Ciele Prime and Protect Primer. I'm really happy about getting this one because I've been considering purchasing it. This has SPF 30, so that step is already taken care of, and I really like the little bit of glow that it adds to the skin as well. Next, I'm using the Dalish Powder Blush Duo. This is in the shade Peachy Keen. It includes a soft peach and a pink coral shade. I'm just swirling my brush and mixing both shades. The formula is quite matte, but it's not flat. It gives a healthy flush to the cheeks. After that, I'm trying the Laura Geller On and On Lengthening Mascara. I gotta say, the brush on this looks promising. I'm just going in with a light coat, and because it's on the smaller side, it works pretty well with my lashes. Finally, I'm applying the Ole Henrikson Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. This is in the shade Citrus Sunshine, and I've heard amazing things about this, so let's give it a go. It's just as good as they say. It smells absolutely amazing, and the formula is so hydrating. Here's the finished look using products from August Ipsy Extra. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.